Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Myself, Dimple Parmar. My company name is Dtalk Design Talk. So in my previous video, we have come across the ergonomics in interiors, the psychological impact from the with the interiors. Now today we'll talk about the elements of designs and the principles of designs. So what are the elements of designs? Of designs are point, line, shapes, color, textures, and these all elements of design are being applied to create your interiors of your leave space and workspaces. So when you will see around yourself, you will see these all elements of design are being implemented in your fixtures, in your environments. So any shapes is converted into the fixture, and the fixture is being in further being functional to you. So these are elements of designs are very important in the interior designing. So point is one of the element which is the start of a design. From the point you make a line, from the line you make a shape, from the shape you make a fixture. So this is the way and that fixture has been given the color, the texture to improvise the thing and to make it look more beautiful. So implementing in elements of design in your interior should be followed by the principles of designs. Now today we'll take an idea of principle of design is the balance, unity, and focus. Now what balance is doing in our interior designing part? Balance is something, it is a formal balance and it's an informal balance. The formal balance is something symmetrically. Symmetrically, the part is being divided, equal parts. 2 is equal to. But informal balance is somewhere the impact of design is higher, somewhere the impact of design is low. For example, 3 is greater than 2. So this is the way the balance is being maintained in your design. Somewhere you have designed a particular part with the maximum number of furnitures, and somewhere you have decreased the impact of the design in some of the area, so the area doesn't look much jazzy. But let's take an example of a restaurant. So in that restaurant you have designed that restaurant with the equal balance form. The number of the sittings on the right hand side is the number of sitting into the left hand side, and both side of the wall is having a symmetrical design. So this is kind of a balance which we try to maintain in our different concepts, whether it will be leave space, whether it will be a workspaces. Now you look around my behind in my background, here you can see how the balance is being maintained. If you see vertically, the working part is being taken on the left hand side, and the right hand side has given the walk path. So this is the way they have balanced the space of a rectangular shape. Now what so this was about a very short summary of the balance in the interior. Next is the unity in the interior. What is this unity word doing in the interior part? Unity is very important, because if there is no unity, the your environment will really look haphazard. So unity is something which could be created by the shapes followed, by the color followed, and by the texture followed. The major impact is with the shape. If you are following a particular rectangular shape, you order, let's say, hexagon shapes. Rectangular is a very common thing. Let's take a hexagon shape. If you are creating a furniture, if suppose there is a living area where the center table of your of the center table is of hexagon shapes, so that hexagon shape has been given in a different form. Suppose it could be converted, that shape could be given on the wall as in photo frames. So this is the way how you, in the space, you have created the unity, that the hexagon shape has been put in somewhere or the other areas, and you have created unity in this space. Now behind, you can see what unity are looking around me. You are looking the unity of the color, the white and the gray color. They have been repeatedly used, they have been implemented in each and every area to create the unity of the space. The flooring has also given a gray color, the sitting has given the bit of a darkish gray, the ceiling is given the more darker gray color. So there is the gray is the hero, and the different shades of the grays are being used. The basic color is used is a white. So this is a gray and white of combination used in the whole environment of the office. So this creates the sense of unity in your interior space. So this is the, because if suppose, let's imagine my the behind area, if suppose the flooring is white, the chairs are of some different colors, the working desk is a different color, the glass color, the window glass color is something else. Can you imagine that area, how haphazard, there is no unity in the design? So this is the reason the unity is really very important. It gives the peacefulness environment. So in the office, the behind office which has been shown, it's showing you, giving you feel, the psychological feel. Let's come again on the psychology. The psychology feel is a peaceful and workable environment. So this is something about the unity in our design. Then comes what the focus in the design. Now what does focus mean? Focus is a part of it is a wall or a place or some of the fixture to give its importance. Now behind me again, you see there is one of the focus point, which is in the color of yellow. The ceiling and the wall has been focused in the whole environment. So whenever you enter in this part, you will directly see that yellow ceiling and the wall. As you enter, your focus will go on this particular part. So this is how we create the focus point. The focus point is only visible if your other part of your area is being, it has a lighter color in comparison to this focus point. The focus point could be a sitting area, the focus point could be a reception area, the focus point in the shops and the showrooms could be a wall where your latest product is being displayed. So the first, when a customer walks into your shop, there is a focus point where your latest product is being displayed, which helps the customer to look to the important products which you are trying to show it to them. So this would be can be easily focused, and which will help you to increase your sale. So this is the way the importance of the focus and the application of the focus area keep on changing as per our requirement. So the focus point in the commercial part is really something which helps you increase the sales. If it is in the office, you can create a focus part of something giving the informative part. So suppose the behind me, if suppose that focus part must have the informations about the companies and everything, so that would be creating a focus. If someone is able to directly focus on that part and understand the concept of their working. In the showrooms, as I told you, the focus point could be creating, displaying their products, talking about their brands. So this is, and in the living area, you can create a focus. If suppose everything is subtle and you want to elaborate the sitting area, or you want to elaborate the dining area, or you want to elaborate a picture frame wall. So this is the way you can give the importance to their particular space, wall, corner, or anything. So this is the importance of focus. So these are three of the principles: balance, unity, and focus. which is very important in our interior designing. So further going, we'll learn about more of the principles of design. So for today, we'll focus on these three topics of principle of designs. So thank you so much for hearing me out, and please like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Will surely come with the second video with other principles of design. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my video. Thank you.